Phuket Waterfall Loop. Yeah, hiking today, Sundays. Haha, there is Phuket Waterfall, but we go to the under table one.
Oh, really?
Or once.
Okay, where are we going?
Yeah, 11 kilometers. A loop full of waterfalls and little creeks. It's pavimented, but very steep.
Wow, it's I feel it. Me? Sex is the last.
Become very hot.
I hope it's over. Oh no, it's not over.
Super sweaty. Is it the top?
Yes, it was the last one. Yeah?
So here we have one path, two paths, three paths.
I think.
Okay, there are no other choice except going down. So we choose to go down. Where to put the GoPro? Here we go. Ready to go down.
My
Shelter. So we just found the first creek in this waterfall loop after 1 hour. It's not a waterfall. At some point must fall to somewhere. It's beautiful though.
professional.
Hedgehog, professional. Oh, two platforms on the tree. It used to be a playground. Zip line, we can see the line. More platforms up there.
I'm not sure that it's secure.
Yeah, it is.
Would go there.
Where is my hat? Where is your hat?
You see?
Damn it! What's that? Hey, local.
They get so very all together.
Study cup. Oh, I think he's doing the Buddha. Oh, very nice place here. Yeah. Do you know the name of the tree?
Yes.
Some secret trees. Not secret. Yeah.
No, it's not. They are not. I thought yes, but no, they are different. They are different breeds.
I found a Mercedes here. You're almost done.
But it doesn't help.
Wow.